I got these really cool files from Kyle Gilbert, and I just drilled 4 holes and attached them to a 2x2 with the hopes that I'd come back and fix it. So I hopped into Fusion 360 and made some hinges and actually made the lever themselves, and here it is. So I used Silverleaf Rub and Buff on this side, and then on this one I didn't sand it or do anything, but I just sprayed with the Rust-Oleum Silver. I know that this is shinier, but it seems like this one might look better. And of course none of them have been weathered or anything yet. But which do you think looks better so far? Rub and Buff or the Rust-Oleum Silver? You decide. I got a lot of feedback from people in Facebook and my other social medias, but I decided that I would go with the metallic silver spray paint. But I did use the Rub and Buff on the dowel, the wooden dowels. I made a template from some old acrylic, and then I continued to trace them out. I used a starter drill bit, a small one at first, just to go into my holes, and then grabbed a larger one. I think they were 4mm. I can't see! I'm getting more and more frustrated with this job. I don't want to take this off! I really didn't want to take that off. It's a pain. This is what you call bad planning.
Someone is at the front door.
Someone's at the front door. I lowered the cockpit thinking that I could get to it easier. That wasn't the case. Maybe a little. So since it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get the screws going from the back, I just put screws in like this, and I'm gonna screw in the nuts from the bottom. That should be easier, because I don't feel like taking this off again. But we'll be alright. We'll be alright. I hope. I'm so glad that I modeled threads to go through the part like that. Otherwise I would have been screwed. It's actually a nice fit. You gotta feel with your fingers. I meant to say you gotta see with your fingers, right? So I'm telling you what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna play around with this until I get so pissed I'm gonna rip this off. I'm gonna have to take the thing off anyway. Yeah, that was the ticket. I needed my left hand. Since I am left-handed. So now for my other challenge here. See how it kind of lifts up. So it's either A, I'm gonna have to rebuild this guy, B, is I'm just gonna cut these holes up more so that way this part could stick up through. Or C, make this so it goes down further. That means I gotta print more parts. And then using my trusty oscillating tool. and I made short work of it. It was perfect. Jigsaw Jedi, eat your heart out. I think Kelly Stern is really a robot, and this is how he gets so much stuff done. He works like this in real life. I'm such a dummy. I put another nut, 2 nuts on the same screw. Alright, so here we go. Gonna put these guys in here. Gonna put the set screws towards the back. There we go. Let's give it a shot. Yeah. Love it. All right. I'm happy. How do they look? If you wanted to, you could put little limit switches in here. One on each side, one for the up, one for the down. Or only one for the down, just to let your cockpit know that you're in hyperdrive. So, alright. Hi guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you think this is cool. And don't forget to hit the bell so you know when I put out some videos. I'll see you next time on Whitey's Wicked Workshop. I'm out of here.